And so we are quite excited about all the hydrogen production which is coming online. And a lot of that production is targeted at larger use cases than trucks. Trucks use a relatively small amount of hydrogen compared to power, blending in H2 into the pipeline system, using it for aluminum and other metals smelting. So what's great is this transition, where trucks are ready today, using a small amount of hydrogen which is generally available. As big projects come online for other use cases, trucks will also be able to benefit, using that hydrogen at a much lower price point than fuel is available now. So at Hyzon, our technology is ready, going to trucks now, putting that in circulation in smaller numbers today, which when this hydrogen comes online, our trucks will be able to scale up and to utilize that. And at the same time, our technology can apply to many other use cases. So larger demand use cases like stationary power, mobile power, aviation, and rail. So it all fits together in the ecosystem, many use cases where those large projects come online and help us benefit all. So when it comes to hydrogen, the important thing to know is it's a great energy source with high energy density to decarbonize hard to decarbonize uses. So for instance, things that are heavy need to go a long way in trucking, right? Battery electric trucks have a role. It's shorter distances, lighter weights. Anything that's longer in distance, heavier in weight, or where charge times are a problem, hydrogen needs to be the answer. Additionally, in much harder to decarbonize use cases like metal smelting, like power, right? Batteries can only do so much. So hydrogen is needed to decarbonize uses. Additionally, as the most abundant element on Earth, the good news is we can produce hydrogen as a fuel, we think much more cheaply than to upgrade the grid and put in additional power gen and do it locally. So we end up with an energy system where the hard to decarbonize goes to hydrogen with production from many different sources to make it the most affordable that we can. And so this transition to zero only happens with an ecosystem, and partners have to come together. So we need forums like this to bring together partners from across technology, end use case, customers, product developers, governments, financiers. And this has been a tremendous opportunity for us to bring all that together. The discussions we have here really shape the way we all approach things. Hyzon with our technology, we think is fundamental to the use case itself, but we can't put that technology to work without fuel that's available at the right cost, without subsidy regimes that provide the scale-up pathway that we need, without financiers who provide the capital to fund us, to fund our use case, and to fund the fuel as well. So these are vital, they're very productive, and we're excited to be a core part of it.